Welcome to the Creating Fill-in-the-Blank Questions in the Question Library demo. In this demo, you will learn how to create a fill-in-the-blank question in your question library. At the end of this demo, you will be able to create a fill-in-the-blank style question in your assessment. First, log in to your D2L Brightspace account and go into your course. On the course navigation bar, click on the Course Tools drop-down menu. Then choose the Assessments link. Notice the tabs across the top: Manage Assessments, Question Library, Statistics, and Lockdown Browser. Click on the Question Library tab. Click on the section name to go into its folder. From the New drop-down button, click on the Fill-in-the-Blank question. You can leave the title of the question blank. Doing so will make the question text show up as the title. You can leave the points value set to 1. This number can be changed later when you create your assessment. If you want to add an image to go along with this question only, click the Insert an Image button. Notice the Add Blank and Add Text buttons. We will use these later. This question type is set up so that you type in text, then there is an answer blank on the next line, and then there's some more text. You'll see that we stop in the middle of our sentence as we build each of the answers, and then we pick up where we left off and continue our sentence. In the first text box, enter in the first part of your question. Example: to increase student participation in the D2L Brightspace class, use the blank number field choices are for the size of the answer box you want the students to see on the test. The answer box is for the right answer. The weight box is for how much credit the student will earn for answering this portion of the question correctly. If there is only one blank in the question, this should be 100. If you want to give multiple right answers for a blank, use the Add Answer Text. Example: discussion 50. Click in the next text field and enter the next part of your question. Example: tool, and to collect homework, use the click Add Blank, then click Add Text. Click on Answer under blank number 2. Example: Dropbox. Click on Add Answer. Example: Drop Spacebox. Both of these are worth 50 because the student would type either one or the other, but not both. Click in text number 3. Example: tool. If at any point you would like to see what this question will look like, you can click on the preview button at the bottom. Once you have finished previewing the question, select Done to go back to the edit screen. If you want to create another question very similar to this one, click on the Save and Copy button. That will save this question and create another one with all of this question's information, so that you can just edit this question's information instead of retyping it. If you want to create another question of this question type, click on the Save and New button. That will save this question and give you a new blank question of this question type. When you are finished making changes, click on the Save button in the bottom left corner. You have now successfully created a fill-in-the-blank question in the question library.